Hello everybody, welcome to this NIKOLA video. Now I'm going to keep today's video short but to the point, and also remind you all to not miss tomorrow, Saturday morning's NIKOLA video. And tomorrow I'm going to be talking about this interview with Christian, okay? Because a lot of very important key elements that oftentimes get overlooked when talking about NIKOLA came out of this interview. Specifically, the carbon credits, something that goes untalked about, and it's actually very important. Also, we all know that there's a lot of channels out there that use NIKOLA because it has a big viewership, because it has um, big audience, to basically promote or provide incorrect information. We saw this all of 2023, 2022, but especially 2023, when things actually started turning around and moving in the right direction, how so many channels and so many YouTubers would come out and blast NIKOLA, blast on the community, just say that it's a shit stock, a penny stock, a no good company, that NIKOLA investors are dumb, etc., etc., etc. You guys remember when we went bear hunting, that we would do on these videos, just go and check for channels that were talking bad about NIKOLA and exposing them as idiots, because that's what they really were. So there's a lot of idiots that don't know what's going on with NIKOLA. Now, a lot of people have stopped talking bad about NIKOLA either because they did not like me putting them on the spot like I did, or because they know that the NIKOLA community is not dumb. All these people that put these negative videos out, when you look in the comment section, the NIKOLA community steps up. So I have a surprise for everybody. I have a surprise, and I think you guys are going to like it. Look, obviously, I've been making videos about NIKOLA. And not that long ago, I noticed that Martin Lucas started covering NIKOLA. Now, I've addressed Martin Lucas' coverage of NIKOLA a couple times in my videos. But lately, Martin has started to change his opinion about NIKOLA. And actually, the last quarterly earnings, I watched them on Martin's show, Martin Lucas Investor, because it was kind of like the only channel broadcasting them. So I'm very aware of everything that went on that broadcast. So, yes, Martin's sentiment towards NIKOLA has gotten better, has changed. So I reached out to Martin to let him know that I would love to be on his show and pretty much come on the show to bring him up to speed on NIKOLA, or better said, give him all the right information and make him aware of all the wrong information. Make him aware of who's a real friend of NIKOLA and who to take serious from the NIKOLA leadership and the people addressing NIKOLA, and who not to. And, with the purpose of helping the community out, get better information, obviously helping the investors and people that are trading the stock, start to eliminate all the FUD and all the noise on the stock out there on the internet. And at the end of the day, we're helping each other out as a NIKOLA community. So this is what's going on. Martin reached out to me. He got back to me and he said that he would love to have me on the show. And I would also love to be on the show. So we're DMing on X. This just happened today. And I'm all game. I'm all game and looking forward to being on the show with Martin. And now we're both going to be talking about NIKOLA, and we're both going to be providing content that is the right content. I mean, I've been talking about Nikola as it is, right? So since I've been with it for 3 years, I know everything that has taken place, and I know what Steve Gursky's plan is and the vision. So when Martin Lucas and Investing in Entrepreneurship, or me, your friend, tu servidor, Robert, join forces, watch out, internet, because the FUD attacks are going to be over, and we're going to have better information out there. And basically, the community is going to get stronger. So let me know what you all think about this. Also, comment so that I can share all those comments with Martin, and he can notice how excited the investor community would be to have Martin, Lucas, and Rob together talking about Nikola. Do you guys like that idea, or you hate the idea? Drop it in the comment section. Doesn't matter if you like it or you don't, if you're for it or you're not. And if you're a Nikola hater, just avoid yourself the trouble and don't even come by, because the Nikola bulls, they're going to stomp you. They're going to stomp you on the comment section. I hope by now you've learned. Anyways, community, drop those comments. Let Martin Lucas know how much you guys want this. Let me know how much you guys want this. And we're going to make it happen. Don't miss tomorrow's video. And I'll catch everybody tomorrow. And have a great Friday night. Go have fun. I'll catch you all later.